Welcome to this week's episode. Busy week as usual. We had a big order coming from SoCal Speed Shop with a couple of I-beam front ends, a whole bunch of patch panels, so I had to fix all that up and get that out to customers. Got some new jackets from them as well. I'll put a picture up in a minute. Moon Eyes sent us an order from Moon Eyes Japan, so it's the 35th anniversary for them, so they had a whole bunch of new merch. Once again, I'll put a picture up. That's all available in our eBay store. Craig was kept busy. Just coming up, I'll show you behind me, I'll turn around. We were doing aircon and a few other bits and pieces on this 1970 Chev pickup. We'll feature that next week and we'll run through that a little bit more. Super tidy truck, and we're doing a bit more work to that. But the main thing for this episode is the Big Al's Poker Run final farewell. So Big Al passed away a few years ago. It was a long running event, but anyway, a few customers' cars first. Like a couple of weeks worth, so there's a few there. Then we'll go into the coverage of Big Al's. Enjoy the episode. Morning, peeps. All right, so today we are.
Peeps, is that like
peeps? That's for the young people.
Is that for the millennials?
For the millennials, so they follow us. Peeps. So we're going to a little car cruise. Obviously, we're in Craig's car. Hopefully, you can hear us over all the noise and bumps and rattles and everything. Hey, but that's hot rodding. So Big Al's Poker Run was an event that ran for 30 odd years.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the big guy himself passed away 5 years ago, I think it was, so it's obviously stopped, but today is like a memorial and almost the last sending off. They've decided not to run the event anymore, which makes sense, I guess. So we're just gonna go and have a look. Hopefully there's a few cars there, and yeah, we'll do some coverage.
You can see Drew behind us, I think.
Hang on, I'll try and get Drew.
Rear vision mirror?
Yeah, you can just see Drew. There you go. There's Drew. Drew will wave at us, babe.
get the pickup done, put it on the back of the truck, and then off we go. Car up in the bush the other night.
Yeah.
How many points per pedestrian?
Oh, it's Death Race 2000.